Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your PS5 not turn off automatically. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To prevent your PS5 from turning off automatically, you need to adjust the power saving settings. Here's how to do it. Now, on the main menu, navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and choose to click System. In the System menu, choose to click Power Saving. Now, choose Set Time until PS5 enters Rest Mode. You can set different times for during media playback and while playing games. Choose Don't Put in Rest Mode. For both options, you don't want your PS5 to turn off automatically. By adjusting these settings, your PS5 will stay on until you manually turn it off. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.